YouTube? Hope you all are doing amazing. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome, lovies. We appreciate you guys for stopping in. So today we're talking all about rose water, okay? We're talking about the benefits. We're even talking about how we make rose water, so you want to stay tuned to the end for that, okay? So let's talk about my journey of using rose water. So let's get into the skin. Y'all, it's only been a week or two since I've used rose water, and right now all I have on my skin is concealer, blush, and eyebrow powder and lashes. And I've seen such a difference in my skin, and I'll post some like before and afters, and I'll continue sharing my journey. If you guys want like a 30-day challenge of using rose water every day, drop that in the comments below. So one of the biggest things and benefits of rose water is the fact that it's anti-aging. It has anti-aging properties. So what does that mean? That means that it fights fine lines and it decreases wrinkles in your skin, right? All of us are trying to look young until we're 50 and 60. This is how you can do that, right? Spraying rose water on your face every day. And what is it about rose water that decreases these fine lines? That's a great question. It is an antioxidant, y'all. So what it does, right, is it fights those free radicals, which then soothes the skin, and then it decreases the wrinkles and everything like that. And next benefit of rose water is, and this is something I didn't know, it acts as a toner, y'all. So what that basically means is that all the gunk and acne that you may have, as you begin spraying rose water on your face daily, you're gonna see the oil starting to push out, right? Because that's what it's doing. It's shrinking those pores and tightening it. So that is huge. It is huge, especially if you battle with acne and you're trying out all these different products. Let's get back to the basics. Let's go back natural. And this is more so a holistic way of fighting our acne and taking care of our skin. And you will be surprised all the different celebrities that use this. I know rose water kind of went viral after Salma Hayek started talking about it. I feel like America is just now catching on when it comes to a lot of these ancient methods. So you have people who are introducing us to things that the world has known about for years and years and years. And also Halle Berry has talked about using rose water, and it was even found that the ancient Egyptians like Cleopatra bathed in rose water. You know your royalty when you bathe in rose water. That is how deep it gets and how far back it goes. What I want you all to understand about rose water is that it heals the skin, right? It fights those fine lines. It's an anti-aging product. It also hydrates the skin and moisturizes it. It's a natural moisturizer. And then it helps maintain your skin's pH balance. I know a lot of us are like, what, pH balance exists in your skin? Yes, and I'll show you guys a chart. This is where you wanna be. So it helps, it heals, and it helps maintain, which is huge. So thank you all for tuning in. Stay tuned for how you all can make your own rose water right at home.